Working of machines. Similarly, we give instructions to the computer. The computer then works on the instructions and gives us the result. The instructions that we give to the computer are called input. The working of the computer is called processing, and the result we get is called output. Thus, a computer works in 3 steps: input, process, output. This process is called IPO cycle. Let us look at some examples of IPO cycle. Input, dirty clothes. Process, washing machine. Output, clean clothes. Input, fresh fruits. Process, juicer. Output, fresh juice. Now, take an example of our human body to understand the same. Input, what is 2 into 2? Input unit. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Processing unit. Output answer is 4. Output unit. When we hear a question with our ear, the input is received by the brain, and the brain processes it. It then orders the mouth to speak the final answer. Therefore, our ears acts as an input unit. The brain acts as a processing unit, and the mouth acts as an output unit.